Alright, man, I'm gonna try to explain Wake Up Now and make it as simple as possible in the shortest amount of time. And man, I'm not gonna flash any money or anything like that because that's not what I do. But other people do it, so if you really want to see money proof, just search Wake Up Now on YouTube and do your research. Anyway, man, I personally joined Wake Up Now because of benefit. I get huge discounts on things I buy all the time, which ranges anywhere from groceries to cell phones to kitchen supplies to Nikes and Jordans to flat screen TVs and tablets and stuff I even buy as gifts for other people like Gucci belts and jewelry and tons of other things in the Wake Up Now online marketplace, which has over 2,000 stores such as Walmart, Best Buy, Target, Amazon, and a lot more all in one. There's even a free marketplace where you can choose from 100 new free items every week. Wake Up Now also offers 65 to 90% discounts on traveling. They had an offer on there for 2 kids, 2 adults in Cancun, Mexico for 5 days, 4 nights at a 5-star resort for $189. That's ridiculous. You also get discounts on hotels, condos, and car rentals. The average person saves $300 to $400 a month on these discounts alone. So Wake Up Now lets you save money with those discounts, manage your money by helping you keep up with your spendings and start receiving tax write-offs on them, which earns you more money back during tax season. And my favorite part about it is you can make money. Yes, make money. And it works just like when Comcast or any other business tell you if you refer a person and they join Comcast that they'll pay you or give you money off your next bill or whatever it may be because that they won't have their customer voicing for you. Wake Up Now is basically the same way. They're just like any other business, but they don't pay billions of dollars to advertise on TV and stuff. They cut the middleman and pay you, us, to spread the word. You don't get paid to go tell people about your favorite game. But I get paid to go tell people about my favorite business. And you can too, actually. One, aka Wake Up Now, costs $100 a month. But if you get 3 people to join, it's free going forward. Here's where it gets more interesting. Once you get 3 people to join, you then help your 3 get 3, aka bring 3, help 3, get 3, which makes 12, and you'll have $600 every month for the rest of your life, or as long as you don't Wake Up Now, and it does not stop there. That $600 only grows when those people get 3 people, then 12, and so forth. And man, the most common excuse that people use is that they don't know 12 people or have 12 friends. You got a lot of friends on Facebook and followers on Twitter and Instagram, right? It's not that hard to get 4 people from each of those sites. 4 from each of those sites, and you will basically have $600 coming in every month, and there's no limit to what you could be making a month. 600, 700, 800, 1,000, 2,000 on up. Tell your mama about it. Tell your teacher, tell your coach, or whoever it may be, because you never know who's ready to change their life. And the key is to get people to sign up on your team that is serious about spreading the word and helping the team grow as a whole, and that's exactly what I want from my team. I am literally trying to build a dynasty. To join my team, you got to be willing to put in work because money will not be thrown in none of our laps in this business unless we really try to spread the word. I will help you, no doubt, and I can actually literally take people that sign up under me and place them up under you from my back office online to help you reach your goal, because once you get 3, it's just like a duplication game after that to try to build down, kind of like an ancestor tree. But I'm not going to get one person all of my sign-ups because that will handicap them and make them lazy, which be a detriment to growing and making more money for everybody. You get money for helping others get money, and that's how these people in Wake Up Now are making $10,000 and up per month and are getting rich. Trust me, you want to be one of my first few people because the first few people that I get are the ones I'm helping the most. The faster you sign up, the faster we're going to get this money together. I'm not thirsty for sign-ups, but I am thirsty for motivated go-getters like myself. You do not rank up in this business and earn a lot of money just by getting a lot of people to sign up. You rank up and make a lot of money by coaching and teaching the right people. Like I said, I'm trying to build a dynasty, and the longer you wait to sign up, the further down the tree you're going to be. You absolutely cannot lose in this business if you do it the right way, dude. All you have to do is pay the $100 and get everything I said. The discounts, money managing, money back on your taxes, and you make extra money. So you are literally dumb if you do not take advantage of this opportunity. And you should be ashamed if somebody tells you everything about Wake Up Now and you still say no, because this opportunity is a life-changing gift. I personally don't care if people tell me no, because I know for a fact when they see that somebody they personally know life changed from it, they're going to be pissed that they made a bad decision. So it's only a matter of time. And I know this because I thought it was fake. If I would have started when I was first told about it, Lord knows how much money I could be making right now. But man, if you are smart and motivated and ready to go get it, then click on the link below or the link above, depending on where you're watching this video, and let's get this money. And if you have any questions about anything, just hit me up on Facebook at Dayton Payton, and please share this video, man, because it could change somebody's life. Stop being broke. This is not a damn scam. It's time to wake everybody up. Wake them up like a smack cam. I just wanna be successful.